That will bring up Frank Stapleton and Colby Davis. Stapleton, out of Georgia, 1967 model C10 pickup truck. Number 6 qualifier at 9:45. And ran an 11-second pass, saving the parts and pieces. He faces a tough task. This is the number 1 qualifier, Colby Davis, last year's winner. Out of Ackworth, Georgia, 2019 Charger Hellcat, qualified at a world record 7:27 at 181 miles an hour. The pickup truck has a lot of ground to make up. He is in. Colby's in. Colby's in the tires. Can he reel him in? He is going after him and just past the 8th mile. Rockets around him, and Colby Davis will get the win. 9:16 at 165. He lit the tires afire, and Frank Stapleton thought for a minute he had it in the bag, and then right about the 1,000-foot mark, Colby Davis goes rocketing around him, and he will stay alive to the semifinals.